Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify neighborhood trends with Realtor.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Realtor.com. In the search bar, type in the name of the neighborhood you want to explore. Hit the enter key to initiate the search. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Market Trends or Trends. Click on this section to access neighborhood data. Review the information presented on this page. You will find statistics on home prices, sales trends, and market conditions. Take note of the median home price displayed. Analyze the change in prices over the past months or years. Check the days on market statistic to understand how quickly homes are selling. Look at the number of homes sold compared to previous periods. Scroll down to see demographic information about the neighborhood. Review the neighborhood info for insights on local schools, crime rates, and amenities. Use the map feature to visualize your neighborhood. This can help identify nearby parks, shops, and community features. Look at any charts or graphs available for a visual representation of data. Compare trends over time to better understand market fluctuations. Take screenshots or notes of key findings for future reference. Consider bookmarking the page for easy access later. Develop an overall impression of the neighborhood based on your findings. Lastly, if you have specific questions, use the contact options for Realtor assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.